Gates open. They're up and racing. Major draws for your lead. Moving up on the outside. Bringer of Rain. Salin Lahi running in between runners. Kitty West is on the outside. Is sneaking in down on the inside. Ace Conveyance. Then comes Top Connection. While Babes Magic is the early trailer. As they rounded a 3/4 mile distance, two runners are now fighting it out for the lead. Salin Lahi being joined by Bringer of Rain on the outside, now catching the lead. Racing in third, Major. Ace Conveyance racing in fourth. Running alongside is the favorite Kitty West. Top Connection second last, and Babes Magic is still in behind them. Past the half-mile pole, Bringer of Rain by about 2 lengths. Major now running in second. Salin Lahi, shuffle back in third. Moving up on the outside, Kitty West. Then here comes Top Connection, Ace Conveyance, and Babes Magic as they race at the last 450. Bringer of Rain by about 3 lengths. Kitty West now getting closer in second together with Top Connection, Major, Babes Magic, Salin Lahi, Ace Conveyance. As they come down to the last 250, we have two runners now fighting it out for the lead. Top Connection takes the lead running on the outside. Kitty West, Babes Magic is by the rail. And with 75 meters, we have runner number 5, Top Connection, winning this race over Kitty West, Babes Magic, Bringer of Rain, and Ace Conveyance for your Pentafect.